betrayals. I'm an albatross.
And today we're gonna be playing this scary ass fucking game. I'm fucking serious. I'm so scared of this shit. Oh my god. We're gonna be playing with Gamer Girl Claire here. And I'm so fucking scared. I'm serious. We're gonna scare our ass off of this game. So let's play now.
Wait, I need to do my
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, let's start.
Hey everyone, it's
Shut the
Gamer
fuck
Girl Claire.
up.
Shut up! It's Gamer.
So I'm playing and I'm so scared. I'm tapping the fucking door. I can't even fucking. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Double tap. Oh my god! I'm scared. I'm so fucking scared! Oh my
I
god!
just can't do this. 1 a.m.
Oh my god, it's 1 a.m. Oh, okay. Fucking dog barking. I'm serious.
Wait, mommy was here. Mommy, I need you, mommy. Please, I think you're not gonna trust me because I'm not smart.
Yeah, I'm getting messed up sometimes. Okay. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so scared. I don't even know what's going on. Oh, I thought it was actually a jump scare. Oh shit. I thought it was. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can hear the cars going. Why can't they just fucking help me out? Oh god. Oh god, I'm so scared. Okay, never mind. I want to see that first. I haven't saw the back yet. Oh no. Oh my god! What the hell?
I just saw fucking. Oh my god, it's starting. It's starting.
I heard breathing. I think 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're doing this fine. We're doing fine. I am so scared.
Fuck yeah, you bitches.
Oh, you son of a bitch. You're just glitching out.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You got killed by
I
who?
got killed by Bonnie! My heart is beating so fast! Why am I fucking dead in this fucking wall?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Guys, I just lost the first night. Where am I fucking
I'm
dead?
going in the door. I'm closing the fucking door.
You have to check for the closet
3,
two
2,
doors.
1.
Oh
And
my
the fucking
God.
back. You have to
I don't
close
think-
the back.
I don't think I'll be playing this game no more. I'm such a party pooper. Oh my god.
I didn't check well. Shit.
Oh my god, you're not fucking bad. And it freaking hurts. Guys, seriously, guys, doing Hyper Flash right now, guys.
I did it! Yes!
You're so lucky! I'm not gonna play this game anymore. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh my god, I did it!
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Okay.
Seriously, I
5,
almost peed my fucking
4,
self.
3,
I feel like
2,
crying.
1.
My brother's still making the video, guys. You can check it out, but he's still making it, so he'll be posting it later. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. I don't even know how much. That fucking jump scare is still in my head.
Oh my god, here, I'm scared he actually jump scares me.
Oh my god. Who attacked you?
Oh my god! Oh my
Who
god!
attacked you?
What the fuck?
attacked you?
Ah!
Who attacked you?
Fucking spring trap!
The little one?
You son of a bitch! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy us getting fucking scared the fuck off. Like hella scared as hell. Hope you liked this video. And bye!